We go, bud. Alright, set fire. Yes, guard, set fire.
Hey, come here for a second, man. Come here for a second. Oh, shit. Don't do it! Motherfucker!
We go, bud.
Shots fired! Shots fired! He has a gun! Shots fired!
Calling in for traffic on 1.
Motherfucker, let me see your hands! Let me see your fucking hands! I'm on Pansy, across from the hospital. Just west of the hospital. Watch yourself, he's right here someplace.
Where is he?
He's right here someplace. Son of a bitch. Okay, he has a gun right here, he just dropped it. He dropped the gun, I think I got him. Motherfucker. 2 guns? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Son of a bitch. Okay. All right, we got to go across the fence. This is off Crenshaw. 3303.
No.
I'm secure. I'm good. Watch out. He's right here someplace.
3303 is not hit.
Clear.
You got 2 guns. You got 2 guns right. Which way did he run?
He ran westbound and started going north towards the complex.
Somebody get in off Keith. I'm gonna get units on Crenshaw. Oh, check that out.
Motherfucker.